I'm just on this podcast for one day, but back in Guinea, I used to co-host a radio show myself, a program for learning English called English is Fun.
You are listening to Nostalgia Radio 98.2 FM. English is Fun, a program that is broadcast
on your radio program. You were encouraging people not to go to Europe.
Yeah, I never had the intention of coming to Europe. I hated the fact that a lot of young people are leaving Guinea, and I thought if all the young generations of people that are strong and energetic leave, I felt that this is bad.
And then that shifted at some point.
Yeah, okay, the reality hit me exactly when I was in the boat. I'm like, oh my God, I was there telling people not to go, and here I am today, going against the fundamental principle of being the king that you want to see. Alarms.
Which one is this alarm?
So this is my 12 o'clock alarm, be strong. Every 12 o'clock, I tell myself to be strong. Yeah.
So you were on the boat, and what was going through your head?
We had water entering in the boat, women crying, even older people crying, and in that moment of silence, start to think, probably going to die. Yeah. But I survived, and my advice would be to people, still don't leave. The crossing from Morocco to Spain was terrifying. I tried to cross 3 times. The first time also the sea was very rough. We went for the whole day. There was a lot of water in the engine and it just stopped. So we started drifting. Luckily, we were still close to the shore, close enough to call for rescue. But by the time the rescue came, it was already becoming very dangerous. But they came.
You have so many moments where you almost died that are terrifying.
Yeah.
What kept you trying?
To be honest enough, I think it's just become suicidal at the end. Because if someone is to put me in this experience, I'll never do that anymore. I mean, the stress, the trauma and everything might have made me just give up, and you know what, I don't care. Because I couldn't go back to Guinea. I had no future in Morocco. And there was a slight chance that I would have a better life in Europe. So, and was willing to risk everything just to have that little bit of taste of that, to keep that hope going. Yeah.